Promethean ScreenShare app now allows for touchback on connected student devices, allowing you to interact with and navigate these devices in real time. Please note that only the sender for Windows and Mac supports touchback at this time. For information about using ScreenShare, please check out our ScreenShare Connecting Devices and ScreenShare Waiting Room videos. When students connect using Windows or Mac, they will have the opportunity to enable touchback. In the waiting room, touchback is denoted by a green dot. In this example, we see that Courtney has enabled touchback, but the others have not. When a student mirrors their device with touchback enabled, their device's screen will be framed in bright green. This is an example of the student's computer screen. Likewise, when mirroring a student device with touchback enabled, this screen will also be framed in bright green on the panel, as you can see in the top left quadrant. With touchback enabled, you may navigate connected devices in real time. Possible classroom examples include becoming untethered, sharing applications or programs, allowing students to display work and demonstrate learning, and more.